Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Today I'm super duper excited. Happy October. Yes, we are ready for all things Halloween. Halloween dreams. Today we are doing a video. We are collaborating with Heat Transfer Warehouse with all of their lovely vinyl. Let me show y'all this beautiful vinyl we're going to be using today. Tons of it. Honey, we got all types of vinyl. Look at all this vinyl we're going to be using today. Yes, it is a Halloween shirt decorating contest. I ain't never used this much vinyl on one shirt in my life. Ever. Okay? So, I want you to go over to Heat Transfer Warehouse and vote for me and my design. And I'm going to show you how I created this. So, yes, this is, like I said, a video that we are doing with Heat Transfer Warehouse, and we are using their lovely vinyl, and we're having a contest, y'all. So I need y'all to check this shirt out. It says Halloween Dreams, 'tis the season. Yes, and I created this. Okay, I did a little collab with some Etsy and some Cricut Design Space, and I got this thing together. Look how it's twinkle and glisten. Hi, sparkle. Yes, so like I said, I need you to go over to Heat Transfer Warehouse Instagram page, vote for me, check out their YouTube, subscribe, everything. Check out my link below for them. I am an affiliate with them, and when you purchase something, I do get a small percentage and no additional cost to you. But enough of that. Let's go ahead and get into how I made this shirt. I love it, and this glows in the dark. These things in this. Ooh, happy October. Halloween dreams. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and insert the image that I got from Etsy. What I'm going to do here is I am hiding all of the words except for "'tis the." Then I'm hiding everything but season. I'm duplicating, and then I'm isolating each of the items that I want. So I want all of the items to be separated. So what I'm doing is I'm isolating each item so that I can rearrange it in the order that I want it to be in. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. And I did remove the football. No offense to the football players, but I'm just doing the things that I love looking forward to. Okay. Now these are also images that I purchased from Etsy, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add them to "'tis the season." Okay, so that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go ahead and play around with it, figure it all out, see how I want to position them. Now remember, for the "'tis the season" image, I went ahead and isolated everything. I'm going to come back to that at the end and show you what I'm going to do in regards to that. And then I chose Halloween Dreams because, you know, it's Do Dream On. We dreamers over here. So I've picked a font that I liked. And then I'm going to actually go ahead, make it black. And then I'm going to remove the O in a minute. And I'm going to replace the O with the spider web. Okay, and then in season, I'm going to replace the O with the leaf. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm repositioning, I'm playing around, seeing how I want it, readjusting it. I'm going to realign them, get them all how I want them to go. And then I'll show you what I do next. But now, well, let me just show it really quick. I'm deleting that O, opening up a space so that I can put that inside of there. You want to make sure that you have, you may have to reposition the spider web or the words to the front or the back. You can group them if you were using them for all the same colors, but I'm not using for the same colors. Once again, I'm just playing around with it, seeing how I like it, what I like to do, etc. Okay, and like I said, I'm going to go here. I couldn't find a place for that leaf, so I said, let me take that O out of season and replace it. So I'm going to just, and then there I contoured the O. So I couldn't delete it because remember that was an SVG. So I had to contour so it could disappear. And then I went ahead and contour the rest of the word season so I could put the N at the letter N at the end of season. See? So you have to just play around with it. That's one thing that I love about Cricut. You can play around, you can contour, you can delete, you can hide things, you can replace things. I'm going up to the top and I'm figuring out the alignment. That wasn't the right one. But I'm going to go ahead and fast forward it for us. So yeah, that's how I came up with this design. Okay, so now I have that all aligned. I do want to make it the correct size. So I selected all. And I made it 10.212 inches in width to go across the top of my shirt. I think it's like 8 point something inches in height. And then what I'm doing here is, you see, remember when I hid all of the SVG for the tis this season? I'm going back and I'm deleting it. Okay, I'm deleting it so that when I cut them out, I don't have to worry about those the other images that were there. Okay, all right, so here are the options, all from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and my link will be down below, my affiliate link, because I am an affiliate and I do get a small percentage of everything you guys purchase, okay, at no additional cost to you. So the options that I have today are the Easy Weed Glow, the Caesar White Glitter, the Caesar Sparkle Sunset Orange, the Caesar 20, I believe, the Caesar Twinkle Orange, the Easy Weed Wicked Purple, the Caesar Holographic Fire Flip Pearl, the Walla Cut Puff Neon Orange. This is the Reflective, the Easy Weed Matte Moss Green, and the Easy Weed Orange. So I have to figure this out. So let's go ahead and get to cutting. We're going to be using my Cricut Maker. And let's go. No, we put the alcohol to try to help it adhere a little better. Let it dry. So it's on 325. I have to take the puff ones off. I'm going to tape everything down so it doesn't move. I'm going to tape everything down so they don't move. Okay. ghost over just a little bit. And this is where I messed up. I fixed it, but this is the part I messed up at. I'm going to fast forward. I put the vinyl on top of the tape. So that's how I messed up. All so right. Be careful when you're doing all these layering and different colors and vinyls and all of this stuff. Press this, and then I'm going to press the puff. I hope this turned out right. It did not turn out right. Well, at least the ghost, but you'll see it. So that's down. We're going to let it cool off. Some of them I could do hot. We're going to let it just cool off. Well, I guess I can. Ooh. Some of these you can peel hot. I'm going to let the metallics stay though. Then I got to do the puffs. So I'm waiting to the metallics. Oh no. I put it on top of this tape by mistake. My ghost. Alright, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna fix that. Because the ghost half of the ghost. Look at that. Oops. I messed up. I put that on top of there. So I'm gonna have to. Look at my ghost. I can't believe I messed it up. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to use my mini press and take it off. Now I got to put the ghost back on there. That's bold. So I literally just want to put the mini heat press where the ghost is. Only where the ghost is. So you want to be very careful. That is only where the ghost is. Ooh, I don't want to get anything else to peel off. And it's hot. And we're going to hold it down. And you see that? It's peeling right off. But we got to hurry up so I don't take nothing else off. Uh-oh. Oh, no. It's getting some of the metallic. You got to be very careful. See? But that's how I get off. Let me get it off of here. So, okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now we got it. See that? And it peels. Can you see? Right off. Yay. So now I'm going to put the ghost right back on top of it, right there. So I'm nervous because I don't know when I take this off. It say you can repress it. So, all right. I'm going to take this off. All right. So now, if you know anything about the puff, you literally have to take it off, right? If you watch my other videos, you got to take the puff off as soon as it comes off. And it's 3 different ones. So I don't know how I'm going to be able to do that. You're supposed to take it off ASAP. Like as soon as it come off, you're supposed to pull it off. So we gonna see how this go. We just tape it down so it doesn't move and mess up. Halloween dreams, tis the season. Okay. Let's go ahead. It is at 75. So we gonna go ahead and press it. I just did like 9 seconds. Ooh, ooh, gotta take the puff off. Take the puff off. I did it. Ooh, I was scared. I was nervous, but we did it. Yeah, I've never used this much vinyl in my life. I do not. Let me get in closer. You guys, this is the most vinyl I've ever used. I have never, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different vinyls. I've never used that many vinyls before ever. But I think it turned out super cute. And I don't like the way when it's real light, how it makes the black look. But there we go. You see it? I think it turned out really cute. Love it. Look at it. Yay. 'Tis the season. Halloween dreams. Halloween dreams. I love it. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please make sure that if you're not subscribed, y'all gotta subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please holler at your girl. Please join our Facebook group, Queen Dreamers. We love it over there. Men, women, everybody is welcome. Please make sure you follow me on Instagram. Do Dream One is the handle. TikTok. Do Dream One is the handle. Yeah. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. But y'all make sure y'all go and vote. Go to Heat Transfer Warehouse Instagram and vote for me. Y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.